Which among the following is an activator of alternative complement pathways? Mannose binding lectin? No, it's an activator of what lectin pathway? This already I have mentioned in one of the previous questions. Okay. Microbial lipopolysaccharide? Yes, perfect. Lipopolysaccharide, also known as endotoxin, it is present in the outer membrane of gram-negative organisms. Antigen antibody complexes, no, they activate what? They activate the classical pathway. Remember, classical pathway is activated not by antigen alone or antibody alone. It is activated by antigen antibody complexes or immune complexes. Carbohydrate residues in microbes, no. So the answer is option B. So remember, A for alternative or A for alternate, and A for activator. So the alternate or alternative pathway of complement is activated by certain activators. A for activators, for example, LPS, then chitin present in the fungal cell wall. And what, by the way, is chitin? Chitin is nothing but a homopolymer of N-acetyl glucosamine, that is NAGA. NAGA is present not just in fungal cell wall, it is also present in bacterial cell wall. Okay, bacterial cell wall is peptidoglycan made up of protein and glycan, that is the sugar part or the carbohydrate part, where the carbohydrate part is made up of alternating units of NAGA, NAMA, NAGA, NAMA. NAGA, as I said, N-acetyl glucosamine, and NAMA is N-acetyl muramic acid. Of these, NAMA is present only and only in the bacterial cell wall. That is why the bacterial cell wall is also known as, guys, mucopeptide cell wall or murine cell wall. Okay, NAMA is unique to bacteria. Nowhere else you will ever hear about NAMA. Okay, so LPS is one activator, chitin is one activator, then Ta-teichoic acid is another activator. Teichoic acid is what? It is present in gram-positive bacteria. The role or purpose of teichoic acid is to help attachment of the bacteria, the gram-positive bacteria, to the host cells. Acha, teichoic acid is, Ta is my own short form, not the accepted short form. Let me write full form also, teichoic acid. Okay, then we have got certain antibodies like IgG4, IgA, IgD. Then of course we have got snake venoms as another important activators, and we have got CRP or C-reactive protein, which is an example of an acute phase reactant. So that's about this question, guys. Thank you.